How can I be dairy-free on keto when all you eat is heavy cream, butter, and cheese? First of all, that is not true. That's not all we eat. And second of all, you can absolutely practice a ketogenic diet completely dairy-free. In this video, we will go over the reasons you might want to be dairy-free on keto and easy swaps for a ketogenic lifestyle. There are plenty more reasons besides being lactose intolerant that somebody might want to follow a dairy-free diet, such as clean skin, improving gut health and thyroid, decreasing inflammation, increasing fat loss, and breaking through a weight loss plateau. So let's quickly go over how dairy affects the above. But who am I anyway? Well, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Talita from Shrinking with Keto. And throughout my ketogenic journey, I have lost over 190 pounds and reversed my type 2 diabetes. Throughout my journey, I have coached and helped several people reach their goal, and I hope that I can do the same for you. Recent research shows that there is a link between dairy consumption and acne, and there are plenty of testimonials linking a dairy-free diet with cleaner skin. Now, if you have an allergy or sensitivity to dairy products, cutting those foods out of your diet will lower overall inflammation. It will also give your intestinal tract a chance to heal from the damage that has been done. When it comes to the thyroid, autoimmune thyroid issues usually come together with some sort of dairy sensitivity. Let me interrupt you for a second. If this is the first time you're seeing this pretty face, let's make sure it's not the last. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that YouTube can let you know every time I make a new video for you. And please feel free to ask me anything you want down in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer every single one of your questions. So for whatever reason you decide to follow a dairy-free ketogenic diet, let's go ahead and see the products you need to completely omit and some simple swaps for them. Butter. Butter is such a staple on the ketogenic diet, and it's obviously not dairy-free. It's used from everything between your bulletproof coffee to cooking and baking. For your coffee, swap out the butter for coconut butter and even better, MCT oil. For cooking, swap out butter. Instead of sauteing with butter, you can go ahead and use extra virgin olive oil. And for baking, since olive oil has a strong flavor, prefer coconut oil or coconut butter. Heavy cream is another dairy product that is widely used amongst the keto community. Heavy cream can be easily substituted with coconut cream. But if you cannot find coconut cream, this is what you can do. You can buy coconut milk in a can. Now, the upper part of the can usually has all the fats and the solids. Scoop that out, whip it up a little bit, and use it in the place of heavy cream. In beverages, if you want a more fluid consistency, you can go ahead and use almond milk, coconut milk, hemp milk, and the recent addition of macadamia nut milk. All of the above unsweetened though. Let's talk snacks. If you're used to snacking on Greek yogurt and cheese, you can easily swap that out for olives and nuts, which are a great source of fat. And swap out the Greek yogurt for coconut yogurt or even cashew yogurt. On a dairy-free ketogenic diet, you can freely consume animal fats and plant-based oils, red meat, poultry, seafood, and low-carb veggies, nuts, seeds, and all the dairy alternatives we just mentioned, along with high-fat cashew and vegan cheeses. And finally, a quick tip. You need to be very careful when reading a label if you're dairy-free and keto, as there are hidden milk-derived products in places you wouldn't even imagine, such as casings in hot dogs and sausages. So there you have it, the reasons you might want to follow a dairy-free ketogenic diet and all the easy swaps. And as always, chin up, or the crown slips.